Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be testing out a new power washer that I just picked up. We'll go ahead and take a look at it and run through some of the specs on it, and then we'll give this dirty car behind us here a bath. Alrighty, this is the SunJoe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. It runs about 2030 PSI max at about 1.76 gallons per minute. It has two little soap reservoirs there on the top. You can choose how much you want, or it doesn't have to be soap. It could be wax or another mixture of a detergent of your choice. And on the back here, if we swing around, we can see it comes with a lot of different nozzles, and there's their spray types. It's super easy to put together. It comes in maybe like 6 or 7 major pieces, a total of 6 screws, and it even comes with a 2-year warranty. So let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see how it performs. We're all hooked up to power over here. I went ahead and threw some chemical guys, Mr. Pink, in the right tank here, and then turned the dial about halfway to the right. We'll crank it all the way to the right in a little bit and just see how soapy we can get this thing, but for now I figured we'd start about halfway. Got the garden hose attached to the front, and then on the wand here, I went ahead and already pulled it off the back here, but I've got the soap nozzle attached. All of these nozzles are super easy to put on. They're just quick disconnect. And then we should be able to just go down here, turn on, and then there's a lock that you can release so you don't accidentally spray yourself or something else. And we should be ready to go. Okay, so without a foam cannon, we actually got a decent amount of suds out of these little soap reservoirs. I cranked the knob there all the way to the right, and we ended up using all of our soap in here. I'm sure there's probably like a bit of a break-in period and some learning of what the levels of soap need to be so that you can get a whole bunch of suds, but let's go ahead and rinse all this off now. Alrighty, I've got to say, for just some soap and water, that was a pretty decent wash. Of course, you can put your own foam cannons on here and get the super suds if you want, but I wanted to see what the pressure washer itself could do, and I'd say I'm pleasantly surprised. Now, putting everything back and away is super simple and hassle-free too, and cleaning as well. You're just gonna pop these little tops off, pull these tanks out from the bottom, and then you can go wash all your detergent and soap out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the power washer, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.